Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal to your Apple Wallet or to your Apple Pay as well, and how you can basically go and pay with PayPal from your Apple Wallet. So before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to open settings on your mobile application. So it's basically on iPhone. So just go to settings. From there, you can go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Now here you have Wallet and Apple Pay. Just click on that. And from there, as you can see, you can tap Add Card. Now, once you add card here, obviously you will need to tap the payment method. So here you have a bunch of payment methods. We go for debit or credit card, right? That's what we go for. And then, as you can see, you can add a payment method. So from here, you can basically add a payment method, such as PayPal or whatever, and then that's basically it. Now you can also add PayPal to iCloud on iOS. This is an Apple Pay alternative, right? Because adding PayPal to Apple Pay would be amazing because you can use tap to pay feature in stores. Unfortunately, that isn't an option yet. So the only thing or the only way how you can add a card from PayPal or a gift card is this way. But yeah, as you can see, if you want to add PayPal to iCloud on iOS or Apple Pay alternative, you can tap your name at the top of the screen in the settings. So just go to settings. From there, go to payment and shipping. And then as you can see here, you can actually tap PayPal, which is a payment method. Now from here, you can basically go and select PayPal, agree and continue, use balance first. If you want to use balance first, you sign into PayPal and that's pretty much it. You will be able to add PayPal as an alternative to Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. So again, since there isn't an option to add it directly to Apple Wallet, this is the only option you will need to go and follow. So yeah, definitely subscribe down for more videos just like this. We're uploading a lot of videos on Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.